You're never a stranger when you're in New Orleans. Our hospitality roots run deep here. That's one of the many reasons why New Orleans is built to host. Hi, I'm Walt Leger, President and CEO of New Orleans & Company. We're excited to welcome the NBAA Maintenance Conference to New Orleans. With this year's theme, Big Easy, Bright Futures, our city is the perfect backdrop for innovation, connection, and professional growth. From immersive education sessions to the latest technology on the show floor, this conference fuels the future of aviation maintenance. Make plans to join us in New Orleans, and we look forward to seeing you soon. During your stay, immerse yourself in the culture of the Crescent City. Our authenticity is guaranteed to ignite inspiration, both within your meeting spaces and while you explore our unique places, most of which are just a short walk away. All around you, rich history converges with the future. Here, our soul-stirring traditions make way for mind-blowing innovations, and every interaction provides a vibrant opportunity to connect, collaborate, and create. When you aren't talking business, chances are you'll be talking about what's for dinner. And with so many world-class restaurants on the menu, you're guaranteed to want to come back for seconds. Unforgettable experiences are inevitable when you gather in New Orleans, and there's always space at our table. So pull up a chair, because everyone's welcome here. New Orleans, we're built to host.